Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 fitting the right hand side cam cover. This is episode 31 in my series of videos detailing how I change my cam chains and tensioners. In this episode I'm going to through how I assembled my right hand side cam cover, in particular the torque side tightening sequence and the orientation of the coil pack cover. Okay, the tools I used were a ratchet, a screwdriver extension, articulated joint, small wrench, torque wrench, screwdriver, some grips, and a 16mm spark plug spanner. I also needed some gasket sealant, 7, 8, and 10mm sockets. Okay, the starting point for me was obviously everything was put back together after fitting my new cam chains and tensioners, as you can see here on the right hand side. Okay, the first thing was to clean up the sealing surface. Started out like this on the top and ended up quite clean at the bottom. Next was to apply the gasket sealant in the two areas where the castings meet, here and here, towards the front of the vehicle. Basically I applied a 3mm diameter bead, 12mm long across the joint in order to create a seal where the two different castings meet, aluminium castings. Okay, then I gently slid the cam cover over the top of that and started to tighten the bolts. There's two types of bolts. There's a 10mm AF bolt here with the bit sticking out, which is part of the engine cover, and the 8mm bolts here. Now the torque to tighten to is 11 to 13 Newton meters, and you start from the middle two bolts near the spark plug holes. And here's the actual sequence. You start with the left inner hole to the right, top, bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see you've got the middle, and you basically work your way out from the middle, up and down diagonally till they're all done. So basically you're pushing the stresses out from the middle of the plastic component to the edges, so there's no residual stresses. That's the correct tightening sequence. Okay, once you've done that, you can check your spark plug gaps with a 16mm spark plug spanner. After that, you need to tighten them back up to 28 Newton meters. As you can see here, I actually numbered all the coil packs up before taking them out, and I put them back in the same positions. They're actually fixed with 7mm AF bolts, and they have to be tied up to 5 Newton meters. Next, I actually attached all the wiring harness clips back on. There's 3 at the front, and there's 1 at the back here, just out of sight. Now, to fit the coil pack, there's a certain orientation of the coil pack. It does look like it go either way, but there is a correct way. There's actually a molded tab here which should face opposite the wiring harness clip here to stop it coming out. Now, it's a bit of an awkward one. You can forget to do this, but I don't think it's that critical either way, but that's the correct way of putting it on. Okay, so tighten those up then to 5 Newton meters. I put a new bolts in stainless ones, as described in another video. I think they originally were 7mm, now I've gone to 10mm bolts, 10mm AF bolts. Okay, then I fitted the engine cover itself, the bit of a finisher. Now you push on these 3 rubber grommets on the side, and there's 2 pins that locate at the back in the inlet manifold, and there's also a rubber piece to go on the end here, and that's basically all done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was informative. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK videos.